In just a mo, I'll give you a brief explanation behind each answer, linking the vocabulary or contextual links between the text and the question. I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your coursebook is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to take the time to find the vocabulary and contextual links that I'll be talking about. Ready? Then let's go. For question 1, the answer is G, because the basics of this in G, which is helpfully bolded, refers to the topic of the class, how to have a conversation, which is mentioned in the introductory paragraph. For question 2, the answer is E, because the context established in the paragraph before is that technology means conversation is difficult. An example is given when talking about arguing and Wikipedia. E develops this context when talking about emailing someone and talking to them. For question 3, the answer is A, because in the main text before the gap, people's rationale for joining the course are given, such as being a better partner and having fewer rows. The first words of A, these aims, make reference to these rationales. Also, the contextual flow of the last few paragraphs, including the answers, is that there was a discussion. The next paragraph starts with, our discussion was interrupted, ... which closes this topic of a pre-class discussion. For question 4, the answer is D, because it suggests the next step of the class. First the discussion in the paragraph before, then pair work in D, and in the main text after the gap it says halfway down that paragraph that they continued with the presentation. So D fits the contextual order of the class. Also, the end of D refers to a break, which the next paragraph refers to. After 10 minutes spent chatting ... we were told to retake our seats. For question 5, the answer is B, because B lists 6 ways to have a better conversation. The next paragraph makes direct reference to this by saying, put some of those ideas into practice. For question 6, the answer is F, because it says, after this enjoyable burst of role play, which refers back to putting these ideas into practice in the paragraph before the gap. F also talks about the end of the class, which connects to the paragraph which follows the gap, which then evaluates the class.